Hey guys, just wanted to share a quick little update video to the last episode of the Super Rock. I guess that would have been part 12. The video was just running so long, I didn't get a chance to actually start it up and see if we fixed that oil leak. So this morning the kids and I pulled the bike out, put some gas in it, started it up, and it looks like the oil leak is fixed. You're going to see a little bit of smoke coming from the exhaust. I think that's the assembly lube burning off. There was quite a bit left on top of the pistons from when I reassembled the engine. It cleared up after a couple more minutes. Sounds pretty good. Needs quite a bit more tuning. It was 98% humidity this morning, so I wasn't about to try to tune these carburetors because anything I did this morning, as soon as it dries out a little bit, it's going to be out the window anyways. So good news is all that work with the cylinders and pulling the sleeve and all that stuff seems to have worked. So here we go. And then as soon as you hear it start to run, you let go of that starter button, all right? Okay. Go ahead.